In the 1930s, America faced the devastating Dust Bowl. Millions of acres of farmland were destroyed. Dust storms darkened the skies across the Great Plains.
Farmers lost crops, homes, and hope.
The drought took everything. We have nothing left.
Their future is uncertain.
The government had to take action quickly. We are mobilizing all necessary resources. Stay vigilant. In 1935, the government created the Soil Conservation Service. Its mission was to stop dangerous soil erosion. On barren slopes, workers built terraces and planted vegetation to anchor the soil. The landscape transformed, its mission a success. We've seen great results with this new crop rotation method. Rotation, we've always planted the same way. It improves soil health and yields. We'll show you. One method was contour plowing. Plowing followed the hill's natural contours. This created furrows that slowed water runoff and reduced soil erosion. Farmers planted along land curves to reduce runoff. This simple practice slows water flow, helping to prevent soil erosion and protect the land. Another method was crop rotation. This involves changing the type of crop grown in a field each season. For example, legumes can restore nutrients, followed by grains' soil health and reduces pests. Different crops restore nutrients in the soil. Legumes, like these, restore nitrogen to the soil. Grasses build organic matter in the soil, and brassicas help cycle phosphorus. Strip farming divides fields into alternating protective sections, like these green crops and brown fallow strips. This method shields work together to wind and water the land and promote sustainable growth. On this non-terrace slope, water flows rapidly downhill, causing erosion. But on the terrace slope, the ridges slow the water's flow, spreading it out. This reduces runoff and helps prevent soil loss. For the first time, conservation became national policy. Next came a massive tree planting project. Nearly 220 million trees were planted. These trees stretched across the Great Plains. Let's get these barriers up. The wind is picking up.
Right. I'll secure this end.
Good. Now weave the branches through. It's holding! The wind is already dropping. Windbreaks reduce soil erosion. In exposed fields, wind lifts soil particles, causing erosion. Windbreaks slow the wind, protecting the soil and reducing loss. The Agricultural Adjustment Act was introduced in 1933 to combat the Great Depression. It aimed to raise crop prices by paying farmers to reduce production. This was a key part of the New Deal reforms. The government pays us to plant less. It's about supply and demand.
We leave fields fallow. It stabilizes prices and gives the soil a break.
It's not ideal, but these payments help keep our farms running. This reduced overproduction nationwide. Crop prices began to stabilize. Most importantly, the soil was allowed to rest. In this quiet, nature began its slow work of renewal. From rest comes resilience, the foundation of all growth. Overworked land slowly began to recover. Some farms were too damaged to survive. The government relocated struggling families to new communities. This is our chance for a better life.
The new house is beautiful.
This program offered stability and a fresh start. Farmers, we were given a chance to restart.
A chance to restart after everything?
Yes, Let's rebuild our village.
Together!
This reduced pressure on fragile soil. Water management became a top priority. Large dams were constructed, transforming landscapes and harnessing water for society. From blueprints to reality, construction reshaped the earth. These structures now stand as symbols of engineering and progress. Reservoirs stored precious rainfall. During drought, irrigation systems deliver vital water to crops. Drip lines and sprinklers keep fields green and productive. This technology ensures a stable food supply in dry times. Future dry seasons became less destructive.
The Civilian Conservation Corps created jobs.
Thousands of young men joined the program.
Let's get these trees in the ground.
The soil here is tough, but we'll make it work.
I'll get the next sapling ready. Good. Let's plant it right.
Looking better already. They built dams and improved rivers. Work restored both land and dignity. Gradually, erosion began to decrease. The dry earth slowly awakens. New life emerges from the barren ground. The fields transform into a sea of green. The land becomes productive once more. Scientific farming has replaced risky, backbreaking methods. Where once farmers toiled with crude tools and animals, modern machinery and irrigation now ensure precision and safety. This transformation boosts yields and protects the land. Conservation became a long-term national goal.
We've come through the tough times together.
Yes, our community is strong. And now we have peace.
Stability has returned.
Together, we are whole.
Farmers learned to respect the land. They understood its needs and rhythms, and in return, it provided for them. A timeless partnership with the earth. Modern sustainable agriculture was born. The Dust Bowl changed America forever. Relentless storms buried the land in dust. Families were pushed to their limits. A generation was forced to migrate. It taught powerful environmental lessons. The melting ice warns of rising seas. Fires show the cost of deforestation. Polluted waters demand cleaner ways. Nature's resilience inspires conservation. Nature cannot be exploited endlessly. Our forests are vanishing. Our rivers are choking. Our oceans are filling with waste. The time to act is now. Science must guide agriculture. From soil analysis to satellite data, science drives progress. Embracing science ensures a sustainable, thriving future. Government action can prevent disaster.
The situation is critical. Deploy all teams immediately.
Government action can prevent disaster. Clear the area. Get supplies to the shelters now.
Recovery requires patience and unity.
Yes, together we can rebuild.
Dust storms once ravaged these lands. Now, green fields have replaced the dust. A transformation of resilience and renewal. From destruction came transformation. From dust rose recovery.